Hello, welcome to class. In this class, you'll be learning using elimination methods to solve simultaneous equations. In the previous class, we learned how to use the substitution methods to solve simultaneous equations. In case you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button right now. Okay, so I've been able to wait for 1 second. Then click on the like button. Then don't forget to share at the end of this class. So please pay full attention. So how do we use elimination methods to solve the simultaneous equations? Now, the first thing you need to note is we are going to perform either addition or subtraction operation for us to eliminate one of the variables to get the other variables. Now, let me explain again. When using elimination method, it's either you perform subtraction or addition operation to be able to eliminate one of the letters, either X or Y, in order to get the other. So which means if we want to find the value of X in these equations, we have to eliminate Y in order to get X. You can also eliminate X in order to get the value of Y. I hope it is understood. So take note, you're going to either add or subtract. Then the second thing you need to take note is that the value to be eliminated, and I mean the variable to be eliminated, must have the same coefficients. What do I mean? They must have equal coefficients. Now look at this example. We have to solve 2x plus 4y equals 42. Then 6x minus 4y equals 30. This is equation 1. And this is equation 2. Now, in these equations, we can see that the coefficients of y are equal. We have 4 in the first equation, we have 4 in the second equation, being the coefficients of y. What do we mean by coefficients? Coefficients is that number that is multiplying the letter in an equation. So, we have plus 4y minus 4y. So, which means it will be easy for us to eliminate y in order to get the value of x. So plus 4y minus 4y already will give us 0. So which means we have to add whatever operation we want to perform along here, we have to add. Now, what is the rule behind either addition or subtraction operation? Now, you need to look at the variable you want to eliminate. Look at, we have minus 4, we have plus 4, then we have minus 4. So when you have plus, one of the variables is plus, the other is minus. When the signs are different, you should add. Take note, when the signs are different for the variable that you want to eliminate, when these signs that we are saying, you can see that they are different, you should add. Now, when the signs are the same, you should subtract. When the signs are the same, like you have minus 4, right here we are going to have subtraction. If you also have plus 4, you should have subtraction. But when the signs are different, you should add. And that is why we are going to add equation 1 to equation 2. So we're going to say add equation 1 to equation 2. Okay, so we're going to add. So that will be 2x plus 6x. Can you see me adding? Then plus 4y minus 4y. That's plus 4y. We need to add plus minus 4y equals 42 plus 30. There is a reason we are adding. Don't forget that reason. It is because the signs are different. Now let's simplify and let's keep solving. So 2x plus 6x is 8x. Plus 4y plus minus 4y. Plus times minus is minus. So that makes you have minus 4y. And plus 4y minus 4y will give 0. So we have eliminated the variable y equals 42 plus 30. That will give us 72. So right now we have something like this. So for us to be able to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6. So that will be that will be 6x divided by 6 equals 72 divided by 6. So 6 cancels 6 right here. 6 into 6 is 1. 6 into 72 is 12. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 12. So we're able to eliminate the variable y in order to get the variable x. So right now, the next thing we're going to do is for us to substitute, because we've been able to find one of the variables. We now have 12 as the value of x. So right now we can substitute. So the first operation can be elimination, the second operation can be substitution. And if you don't mind, you can still do elimination for the second one. So which of the equations can we use in substituting? You can use any one. So for me, I'm going to use equation 1. So I would say substitute this value of x in equation 1, which means wherever I see x, I will substitute with 12. I will replace with 12. So that's, let's pick equation 1. That's 2x plus 4y equals 42. Substitute x in equation 1. 2x plus 4y equals 42. All right, so wherever we have x, you replace with 12. So that will be 2 into bracket 12 plus 4y equals 42. So 2 times 12 is 24. So that's 24 plus 4y equals 42. So we'll continue solving. So we have to collect like terms. 24 and 42 are like terms. So we have to subtract 24 from both sides. Now, why are we subtracting 24 from both sides? That's because 24 right here is plus, is addition. So for us to be able to eliminate 24 on the left to take to the right, we have to subtract, which means when 24 gets to the right-hand side, it will become minus. So we'll be left with plus 4y. So that will be 4y equals 42 minus 24. So 4y is equal to 18. Okay, so we have to confirm we are right. Will 24 plus 18 give us 42? 4 minus 8. Okay, 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 carry 1, so we have 42. That's correct. So 4y equals 18. So y equals 18 divided by 4. Let's reduce to the lowest term. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 18 is 9. So that's 9 over 2, which is equal to 4.5. So the value of x is 12. The value of y is 4.5. So xy is equal to 12, then 4.5. So like I do, we have to cross-check if our answers are correct or not. So you scroll up and pick, let's use equation 2 to check our answers. So we have 6x minus 4y equals 30. Let's check. Check. 6x minus 4y equals 30. So don't forget we are using equation 2 to check. So now wherever we have x, we replace with 12. Wherever we have y, we replace with 4.5. So that's 6 into bracket 12 minus 4y. That's 4 into bracket 4.5. That's 9 over 2 equals 30. So 6 times 12 is 72 minus 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 4 is 2. So 2 times 9 is 18 equals 30. So are we correct? So 72 minus 18 will not give us 30. It's not equal to 30. So which means there is a problem somewhere. So let's scroll back upward and let's see where the problem is. Now let's look at this place properly. 2x plus 4y is equal to 42. Let's look up. 2x plus 4y equals 42. And we got 12 as the value of x. Now let's go through everything that we have done. Now let's look at this side. Let's see where the mistake is. I think I've been able to fish out the mistake. Now 2x plus 6x is not 6x, it should be 8x right here. So that's the essence of cross-checking whenever you're solving an equation, just to ensure that you are correct. So when you check and you discover that there is a mistake in your calculation, you need to go over just the way we have gone over our calculation, and we have been able to discover where the mistake is. So right here, we have to correct it. So right from here, we need to do the correction, okay, by rewriting that. So 2x plus 6x is 8x. So that'll be 8x equals 72. All right, so right now we'll have 8x equals 72. So we're going to divide both sides by 8. So we'll be left with x, that's equal to 72 divided by 8, and that's equal to 9. So now that the value, the correct value of x has been gotten, let's find the value of y. So using this particular equation, which is equation 2, 6x minus 4y equals 30, let us substitute the value of x. So we'll say substitute the value of x in equation 2. And equation 2 is 6x minus 4y equals 30. Wherever you find x, replace with 9. So that will be 6 into bracket 9, that's 6x, minus 4y equals 30. Okay, so what is 6 times 9? 6 times 9 is 54. So we have 54 minus 4y equals 30. Okay, so right now we need to collect like terms. So let's see, it will be easier for us for 30 to come to the left, okay, while we take 4y to the right. Because whenever you're finding a variable or trying to make a variable the subject of the formula, try as much as possible to make it positive. So I want to make minus 4y positive. That's why I'm going to move it to the right side. Then I'll bring 30 to the left. So that's 54. 30 is positive here. When it comes to the left, it becomes negative. Equals, then minus 4y crosses to the right side, becomes plus 4y, just to make it easier for us doing the calculation. So 54 minus 30 will give us 24. So that's 24 equals 4y. 24 is equal to 4y. So right now we can divide both sides by 4 in order to have the value for y. So that's 24 divided by 4 equals y. Why are we dividing? It is because 4 is multiplying by y right here. When it crosses the equal sign, it will divide. And that's why we are dividing both sides by 4. So 24 will be divided by 4. You have 6. 4 divided by 4, that's 1. So the value of y is equal to 6. So therefore, we have x and y equals, the value of x is 9. So that's 9 and 6. So this is how to use elimination method. So this is how to use elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. Now, I want you to solve this by yourself. Let's test your knowledge if you have learned. So you have this to do, okay? So try this out by yourself using the elimination method, and I'll be glad you do it very well. So I hope you enjoyed this class and you've learned how to use the elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share this video so that your friends in secondary school can also learn how to solve simultaneous equations using elimination method. Thank you. I'll see you in another class.